Let's talk about first the Adani group of stocks again. Again, some news developments coming in there, and I wanted your viewpoint on those. One is that the MSCI has postponed the weight reduction of select Adani group companies to May now. Now, what does this really mean is what I want to ask you. Global Index MSCI has deferred the reduction in weightage of the two companies, Adani Total Gas and Adani Transmission, to its next review in May from the current review that was earlier planned this month as well. What does it really mean? Does it mean that perhaps for now it looks like any kind of a threat to or a knee-jerk reaction is immediately postponed to May as of now? And the other two news bits on Adani Power, for example, the 7,000 crore deal to buy DB Power assets has also fallen through. What does that mean? And also on Adani Ports as well, by which will discontinue lending money to the non-group companies after having lent at least 12,800 crores last year, and that is according to some of the news reports that have come about. How are you looking through and scanning through all of these news developments? Do they immediately have an impact on the stock prices, and does it change the way investors should approach these stocks?
Sakshi, first and foremost is the changes in the weightage with respect to MSCI index is not going to have any fundamental impact with respect to the stock positioning is concerned. Whereas as MSCI again came back and they are postponing the decision, it's going to have an immediate positive impact. It will not have any positive impact on the stocks. So the fund flows are mainly with respect to the demand and supply for these stocks. Fundamentally, it will not have any impact on the fundamentals of the companies are concerned. But right now, what we can see is there is a mixed bag or mixed kind of news that has been coming with respect to Adani Group shares. One day the positive news, the other day some kind of negative news that has been coming with respect to the Adani Group stocks are concerned. So what a investor should look into at this point of time, whether they can seriously consider Adani Groups in their portfolio. As I kept on repeating, these are the stocks which are for the high risk appetite investors. There is some value. We can see some kind of stocks like Adani Ports and the group companies like Gujarat Ambuja Cements. So the Ambuja Cements and all, for investors with a long-term horizon, definitely they can look into that group companies. Still, the negativity is not over with respect to Adani Group shares are concerned, because we need to wait and watch how the dust is going to settle down in the coming few weeks, and also how the company is going to manage their kitchen, manage their group corporate governance. This is extremely crucial going ahead with respect to Adani Group companies are concerned.
Any other stocks that are on your radar right now, you're watching out for in the current last few days? We've only been focusing largely on the Adani group of stocks and the major developments. But have you been able to spot any of the stocks that you may want to share with all our viewers at this point in time that may be looking attractive?
Sakshi, still banking and financial services is underperforming today also. But definitely investors can look at the stocks, large cap private sector banks like HDFCs of the world, and also investors can look. The defense is a theme that is emerging right now. We have been seeing some great information that's coming from Bangalore right now, how the Indian defense and aerospace is buzzing in the global scenario. So investors can definitely consider the stocks from defense and aviation sector also going ahead.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.